Also, know your silly mistakes. One of the biggest areas that people lose marks is silly mistakes. If you can cover up that, some part of a silly mistake, you will tend to improve your marks. So one way to improve your marks is to reduce your mistakes. So learn how to review the MBA CET mocks that you have already analyzed. So if you analyze a mock already, made a write-up, how do you review it as such? Just a brief idea about the analysis of the mock. So why is review important? Because what happens is we write mocks throughout the period. I mean, we must have written mocks 2 months back, 3 months back. We tend to forget the mistakes that you committed as and when you come closer to the exam. And the problem is, as a human being, we tend to repeat our mistakes. So whatever mistakes we might have committed 2 months back, we might repeat it again as such, in terms of strategy, in terms of specific question mistakes. So it's important to review it so that you're aware about your mistakes and you can accordingly correct it. The more you're aware about it, the more the chance that you'll have to avoid it, and that will help you to score better. So reviewing is important both ways. One is to understand the mistakes that you normally commit as a human being, and second is to ensure to look at what strategies that you have followed in the past, what mistakes have you done, and how can you improve on your strategy. Now, normally after the mock, what we normally do is we make a write-up on strategy. So you follow the strategy, you make a write-up. What worked, what did not work on a strategy. So some of the strategy must have worked. Oh, I started with verbal, that worked. I started with maths, did not work. So what strategy worked, what strategy did not work, how much time I allocated for one section, how much time I allocated to second section, which section I kept last, and so on. Identify questions you have wasted time. Now, after the exam, you go to the time taken per question. There will be few questions where you have taken extra time or spend more time. Look at those type of questions. Be aware about it, because what happens in the exam when we're solving, we don't realize how the time passes. And that's the reason we tend to spend more time on specific type of questions. So identifying those type of questions and trying to avoid it, that helps. Okay. Also write down your cause of your silly mistake. If you committed any silly mistakes, what's the cause of that? I mean, it could be that you have not read the question properly. It could be some calculation mistakes. So knowing the cause will also help you to avoid your mistakes as far as possible. So know the cause. And if there's any question that is important, mark it so that you can go to it again later on. I mean, there are very few questions which you feel, oh, I need to go to this question later on because it is a good method, or the new type of question which I feel is important and I need to go to it. Mark it so that you can go to it later on. So when you're reviewing the mock, go to the write-up. You must have made a write-up regarding the strategy. Go to the write-up. Know what strategy works for you, what strategy doesn't work for you. Maybe a particular strategy works when a paper is tough, a particular strategy works when a paper is easy. So know different ifs and buts of strategy. Also know the areas that you waste time on so that you don't repeat. So go to all the papers that you have gone in the past, identify the questions that you have spent too much time on, and be aware about it and ensure that you leave it or avoid wasting too much time on those questions. Also know your silly mistakes. One of the biggest areas that people lose marks is silly mistakes. If you can cover up that, some part of a silly mistake, you will tend to improve your marks. So one way to improve your marks is to reduce your mistakes. So learn to reduce your mistakes. One mistake is silly mistakes, avoid that. And resolve important questions. So any question that you marked important, go back and resolve those questions. So that should help. So go back, do this as far as possible. Strategy, mistakes, questions that you spend time on, and important questions that you mark. The 4 things that you should look at when you're reviewing mock. And if you can do this, that means you're reviewing the mock. As in when you come closer to the exam, spend more time on reviewing the mock, past mocks. That should help you score better. Hope this helps. All the best for the exam.